Okay, fourth question. What should I avoid doing as I go back to my natural hair? I had to learn this stuff the hard way. I had to learn all the don'ts through doing the don'ts. So thankfully I'm able to share my experience with you. Things that you should not do. Things that you should not do. You may be used to like using a comb on dry hair, because when your hair is relaxed, combing dry hair isn't a problem, it's not an issue. Or when your hair is heat damaged or pre-transition, you may find that there's certain practices that you're really used to and that don't affect your hair negatively at all, that you just have to quit them when you're transitioning, because you'll find that the damage is actually really detrimental to the health of your hair. Now again, I'm referring to when your natural hair is already starting to grow and there's the point where your pre-transition hair meets the transition hair, and that point is really weak in the strand. And because of that, you have to be so mindful when you're just detangling or when you're just doing things that you would have normally not thought anything of. You have to be a lot more careful with your hair, because you have you have a weak spot right there, that point. So yeah, in terms of detangling, that's one thing that it's not that you should avoid, but you should avoid doing certain things the way you used to do. You need to get into the mentality that this is a whole new ball game. You're working with a whole different texture of hair, and as such, you're going to have to treat it according to the way that it's growing out of your scalp, not to how it was before.